Hi, I'm Graham Jones, lead tutor in electrical. If you're thinking of taking an electrical course, we offer the Advanced Technical Diploma at Level 2. This is basically a 3-year course, so we do Year 1, Year 2, Year 3. In Year 1 you'll cover topics such as health and safety and particular emphasis on safe isolation of electrical circuits. We will then move on to look at circuits, how they're wired and the technology that goes with that. You'll also look at a range of scientific principles, and this underpins all of the knowledge and abilities that you will develop as an electrician. Our students typically go on to do an apprenticeship after our course or move into other fields of electrical engineering. They don't just stay within the field of being an electrician. They can work for the power generation companies, and we've had students move on to alternative energy. For the course you're going to need a basic toolkit. You're going to need to supply yourself with some PPE, so things like general workwear, so a polo shirt, black trousers, steel toe cap boots, high-vis vest, basic tools such as side cutters, pliers, pump pliers and screwdrivers. If you haven't got Maths and English, we will put you on a 3-year course. If you have your Maths and English, you can complete the course within 2 years. The facilities in our area have been described by City and Guilds as being some of the best he's seen. We have 12 bays, some which we have fixed equipment in, which you will use to test your abilities, and some are there for students to work in. We also have a large area, bench area, that we can fit students around who work on boards and individual circuits. So before coming into teaching, I worked within industry. I started as a maintenance electrician and worked my way up to a senior designer for a company that allowed me to travel all across the world designing various machinery and installing it. I worked in countries such as America and the Middle East and earned a fair amount of money doing that. I've been in teaching 20 years, combined experience of 38 years within the electrical fields and teaching. Okay, so thank you for listening to me, and if you want any questions answered, then please feel free to contact me directly.